Welcome to Outgrow. In this tutorial, we'll walk through how to set up smart validations that guide users, not frustrate them. Let's get started. First, log into your Outgrow account. This is the Outgrow dashboard where you can create quizzes, forms, calculators, assessments, and interactive experiences. We will choose a simple template so we can focus entirely on validation behavior. This is the quiz where we are going to add validation to the email field. Now, click on the lead generation button on the right side. Then click on Add New Question in the lead generation form. Now you have entered the lead generation form, where you can validate the fields that are most important to you. If you want to allow users to log in via Facebook, you just need to enable the Login with Facebook button. You will then see the Facebook Login button appear below the Lead Submit button. You can also allow users to log in with their Salesforce account by enabling the Login with Salesforce button. The Salesforce Login button will then appear below the Lead Submit button. Now let's move to the name field validation. Here, you just need to add a field such as full name or first name and last name. Enter a title for the name field and placeholder text that you want to show users as an example. Outgrow automatically suggests an icon for the name field. Now let's move to the email field validation. Like the name field, you just need to add a title and placeholder text, and Outgrow will automatically suggest an icon for the email field. Here, you can choose the verification type. None. Verification without OTP, or verification with OTP. Select the option that best suits your audience. The next field is phone number. Outgrow provides two options here. One for United States-based phone numbers and another for phone numbers from other countries. Add a field title and placeholder text as mentioned above to make it more user-friendly and appealing. You can also add a zip code field if you need to collect this information from your customers. You can also add a location field, a note or disclaimer field, or any other custom field according to your needs. Once you add these fields to your lead generation form, Outgrow marks them with an asterisk, a universal indicator that means the field is required. Without entering details in these fields, the form cannot be submitted. Once these fields are enabled, Outgrow validations start automatically and ensure that users enter the correct information in the required format. If you want to allow users to skip the lead generation form, Outgrow provides an Allow Skip option. Simply enable it, and users can leave these fields blank and proceed to view the results. Before you publish, always run a quick validation test. Click Preview at the top of the Outgrow Builder to open your content in live mode. Now test the first name, last name, email address, phone number, zip code, and location fields. You will see that Outgrow automatically displays error messages and validates each field correctly. Once everything looks good, click the Publish button to save and publish the changes to your required fields. And that's it. You have successfully added field validation to your content. Improve data quality and boost conversions. Create lead forms with built-in validations that ensure accurate submissions every time. Start your 7-day free trial.